Alright, so I've already got my jack removed. 2017 F-150 here. That little cricket noise that y'all hear sometimes. You can probably can't even hear it on the video. There it is. It's that seat belt. Not seat belt, but seat bolt is loose. Tighten that joker up. Should be good to go. So it's an 18mm bolt. Got her tightened up. Look at this. That right there. There's a little more creak coming from the sub. So that looks like a smaller one, but nonetheless, listen. I'm gonna back this one up and put some Teflon grease on it and sink it back down, and that should get us good to go. But I'm gonna do that to every single one of these. Probably what I'll do is grab a little felt washer and put it on every single one of these. So it's an 18mm bolt. Got her tightened up. All right, so the seat bracket is an 18. The amp bracket is a 13. They were both loose. We got no crickets. No crickets, boys. Absolutely no crickets. Once again, 13, 18. Bingo.